Hello everyone. So today we will make a space. So let's start. Now for that I am using this app Paint, and now I'm choosing the circle shape option and draw some oops. Circles as a planet. So here's our planet. Here's our sun. Okay. So drawing sun part. Really big sun. Yeah, that's good. So this is our sun. Now here's another planet. Yeah, and just gonna erase this thing. You can create some stars and creating really small stars. Like this ones you can make as much as you want. You can make it. Okay, so make on your. Here I'm ready with my stars. So you may think, so many stars? Why are there so many stars over here? Because when you go to space, you see many of these kind of stars. So that's the reason I drew these many. Now we will color it. Okay. So if you want, you can create more planets to do it. So I made some big circles there. Yeah. You can make more planets if you want. Yeah, I'm making only 4 planets. So first I will do this background. Okay. And stars. So you can put the background as black, okay, or even blue. Want to keep a blue color, you can choose dark blue or deep blue, or you can say. So yeah, this is a solid color of blue. Okay, I'm using this, and remember this is not a black color, that's a blue. You can see it's a kind of shiny. This is the black color, and this is the blue color. After the blue, let's turn to 2 planets. So in planets, first I will draw some to represent our planet Earth. Just gonna draw a piece of land over here. So join this according to that only. Some lines. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So here are a piece. I will here send one a land of peace, so that a piece of land, so that it would look like Earth, our planet Earth. So try to do that in the paint. You will be able to do it. Here's your lunch. So here I'm in my planet Earth. So I put some paint. Oh, I did a mistake. So I solved the problem. I just made a circle, extra circle. I just put a paint and write the backgrounds. Oops, blue paint. Yeah. So, that's a good one. Now lamps can be pieces of green. See, our lamp is ready. Now I will go on to the sun. So sun has some orange kind of dots I have saw. So from the pictures, okay. So I'm making some dots. I think now orange dots. Thickness. Need many of the dots, as much as you can, to make a planet. I mean sun, okay? So like that. So I decided to not make any dots, and I just deleted dots. So dots will take a lot of time. If you want, you can do it. That's totally optional. Now let's move on to moon. I'll choose grey color, okay? So to find grey color, edit colors, go edit colors, and choose these. This color, you can see the medium, how much kind of one you need. So I'm taking this much. Blue 205, green 205, 200, red 205, blue 160 total colors which I took. Lump, sad 0, and 193, 193 lump, 103, 193. These are white custom. So this gray color and done. Or you want, you can make this one gray. And actually this looks not a sun. This does not look like a sun, so I'm just changing the medium of this color. Yeah, that's good. Okay. To this blue. So I'll form a moon. So the moon is this one. Okay, not this one. Now I'm just coloring. It's time to make a Mars. I'm gonna make this planet a Mars. So I'm taking the orange color and color it. And now I'm taking the deep orange color, taking pencil option and making some lines. Oops, that's not good. Or let's make a over kind of one. Yeah, that's good. You can make even more if you have drawn this a little big. So I'm making two of these. And here is my Mars ready. I'm gonna make moon a little more moon. Looks more moon. So I'm taking the brush option. Now I need a spray kind of thing, okay? It's not working, so I'm taking a light. You can make it. Here's my every space is ready, and here's I've made the sun realistic. You can make this planet of the Mars also. So let's make it, okay? Here's my sun. My space is ready. I have colored everything, okay? I've sprayed everything, everything. Spray. So I'm gonna spray some orange on the sun so that it would look more beautiful. A realistic sound, I think. So here's, I'm done. How is it? If you like it, do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. For now, bye. I tell you my topic. Yeah, so the topic was using paint. Paint. Yeah. Here's it was space drawing using paint. Hope you guys like this video. If you like it, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe and like my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you and bye. Stay safe, stay home.